Hey guys, welcome back. Today we gonna talk about how you can spend 1 week in Dubai on a budget. What is the estimated cost for 1 week? And we'll also be providing with some of the best places to stay and things to do. So let's get started. Target budget for 1 week in Dubai. The target budget could be somewhere around $350 to $500, which will be around 1298 to 1850 UAE dirhams, which includes your accommodation, food, and activities. For accommodation, you could look at spending around $20 to $30 per day. For food, you could look at spending around $10 to $15 per day, and for transport, around $5 per day if you're retaking the metro or the bus. This is based on a mix of free and low-cost activities. So day 1, upon arrival, you could head to Dara or Bird Dubai, where you could find budget-friendly hotels for around $25 a night. You could use this time to explore Old Dubai. This includes visiting the Al Fahidi Historical District, also known as the Bastakia, which is free. You could also visit the Dubai Museum, which is just $3. You could walk around the Dubai Creek and take an Abba ride, which is a water taxi that will cost you just 30 cents. You could also explore the Gold and Spice Souk, which is free, which is just $5, or dine at a Pakistani or Indian restaurant for $3 to $5. Day 2, you could head to modern Dubai and explore the Dubai Mall, which is free to enter. You could also watch the Dubai Fountain Show, which is free. And if you want to go up the Burj Khalifa, it's free to view from the outside. But if you want to go to the observation deck, it is paid. It is approximately $45. You could also walk around downtown Dubai and have lunch at the food court at Dubai Mall, which is approximately $5 to $7. On day 3, you could spend the day at the beach. You could go to JBR Beach, which is just behind the Hilton Hotel. You could then walk along the link-up at the end of the beach called the Walk at JBR, and then choose to visit Dubai Marina Mall, or alternatively continue walking all the way to the other end of the marina. You could have lunch at a budget eatery at JBR or the marina, which will cost you around $7. And there are budget packages available that include transport, a barbecue dinner, and dune bashing. This will cost you around $35. Food is included in this price. On day 5, you could head to Miracle Garden. Entry to the garden is around $12, and it's only open in the winter season. Global Village, and these range between $5 to $10. On day 6, you could take a day trip to Sharjah, which is just next door. In Sharjah, you could visit the Sharjah Art Museum, which is free. You could also walk around the Sharjah Corniche, which is free, and visit the Blue Souk, which is also free. You could have lunch at a local restaurant in Sharjah for around $5. And on your last day, day 7, you could head to Souk Madana Jumeirah, which is free to walk around. You could also walk down to the beach to view the Burj Al Arab from the public beach, which is free. And then you could head to the Mall of the Emirates to round off your week in Dubai and have lunch at the food court, which is around $7. Premier in Dubai International Airport and various OYO hotels. Prices will vary depending on the season and deals. On average, they range between $25 to $40 per night. Some money-saving tips include using the Nal card for public transport, such as the bus, metro, and tram. You could also eat at small local cafeterias in Karama, Dara, and Satwa, as they offer great food at affordable prices. If you book your attractions online in advance, you could also get discounts. And lastly, walk as much as possible to save on transport costs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.